Hi everyone, welcome back to a beginner's guide on off-roading etiquette. Today is the fourth and last Tread Lightly tenet, and we'll be going over do your part. Today we're going to be going over do your part, which is the fourth Tread Lightly tenet. Carry a trash bag on your vehicle and pick up litter left by others. Pack out what you pack in. Practice minimum impact camping by establishing sites, camping 200 feet from water, resources, and trails. Observe proper sanitary waste disposal or pack your waste out. Protect the soundscape by preventing unnecessary noise by creating poorly tuned vehicles or revving your engine. Before and after you ride, wash your vehicle to reduce the spread of invasive species. Build a trail community. Get to know other type of recreationalists that share your favorite trail. Thank you everyone for joining me here on a beginner's guide to off-roading etiquette. Today we went over the fourth tenet in the Tread Lightly principles. You can join me over on Instagram to Tread Lightly with me.